Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. It's George and I've got the bonnet up of the Mazda Bongo. One of the problems, a daft problem I've had with it, is there's no bonnet stay, and there was just a old broom handle or something used, jammed in here, because the hinge here is broken off and the bar's missing, and they want £38 for the plastic hinge that goes in here and a length of metal. So what I've done, I've come up with this way, and I've got this metal rod. It's an old curtain rod, it's aluminium. This is a rubber door stop, and it's got like a brake pipe fitting on the end here, so I've made that to support the bonnet, and I've marked it bonnet stay where this goes in the hole, and I'll just remove it. Just lifts out like that. There's the door stop there, and there's the hole that's already there, and I'll just show you this. There's a couple of these clips I've screwed to the air cowl, and what it does, it just clips in like that, and that's my bonnet stay. Yeah, there it is, nice and simple. So that little job is done, and it all shuts. Right, let's lock the one up for the day, and that's another little job off the list. There we go. So thanks for watching, please subscribe and like.